when the middle becomes a mission to give large-scale humanitarian and developmental work in various fields in the Republic of Yemen. That was the beginning of البادية Charitable Foundation, which was established in Al-Qatin district in 21st of Rajab 1422 Hijri, 14th of October 2001, as one of the leading Yemeni organizations working in Yemen in various developmental and humanitarian fields, with the official authorization number 23 from the Ministry of Social Affairs and Labor. And since its inception, البادية has been striving to achieve its objectives to make the man first in all its projects and programs. The vision. البادية has a vision through which it seeks to be in a leading position locally and regionally in development of people's lives and directing their energies towards development and construction. The message. البادية strives to achieve its mission, which provides the standard of living of the society in general, and especially needy people in all fields, in a transparent and professional manner, through which cooperation with others who have the same concerns, adopting the distinguished and institutional work. Objectives. البادية set several objectives which make it in a race against time to work to achieve the greatest amount of giving and to extend its hands in various fields to achieve more and more of its objectives. From its goals, serving the people and community medically, economically, and socially, and develop their skills, building various and useful constructions and sponsor them, establishing strong and excellent relations with others who have the same concerns, giving high care to the women, medically, economically, and socially in different fields. Our values. البادية is committed to achieve its values, which are humanity, institutional work, partnership, credibility, transparency, initiative. Fields of work. Since its establishment before 16 years and through its vision, message, and objectives, and within the framework of its values, البادية has able to implement a number of programs and projects in various fields in different governorates of Yemen. The field of humanitarian work. The foundation focuses on enhancing the values of social solidarity between society inside Yemen and Yemeni society in other countries, as well as other societies, in order to provide a decent life for the poorest, needy, disabled people and orphans, in addition to the campaigns and relief programs through which we seek to decrease suffering from the crisis and disasters and provide basic and necessary services for displaced and affected people. The number of beneficiaries in this field is 5,469,291 people. Health. We seek to provide a variety of health services to patients and to bring qualified medical staff permanently and temporarily, especially to hospitals and health units in rural areas. And this field includes the programs of health facilities and construction, medical programs, equipment, medicines, health awareness. The number of beneficiaries in this field is 59,985 people. Sustainable development includes capacity building, economic empowerment, infrastructure projects, services. Our aim to provide the community with various infrastructure projects and transferring poor families from the need to production sector in current difficult living conditions in Yemen and losing many Yemeni families their sources of income. So we help those people by training, rehabilitation, empowerment, or interest-free loan. The number of beneficiaries in this field is 378,290 people. Field of education includes programs of Islamic science, guidance, public education, البادية provides various educational and training services in the field of Islamic science, guidance, public education. We seek to provide a variety of educational and training services that aim students in different levels of the education, as well as teachers and school administrations, in addition to supporting schools, institutes, educational facilities, and youth initiatives. The number of beneficiaries in this field is 1,325,154 students and teachers. Effective partnership to achieve the goals. Because of very hard current situations in all Yemeni governorates, and from its responsibility to be very close to the Yemeni people, Al-Badiya Foundation did the best to decrease the suffering of Yemeni people based on its slogan, "The Man First." Al-Badiya Foundation sought to make strong and effective partnership with companies, donors, and volunteers in order to alleviate the suffering of Yemeni people. Al-Badiya worked with a number of regional and local donors. Regional donors: King Salman Humanitarian AIDS and Relief Center, Islamic Relief Organization, World Assembly of Muslims, International Commission for Human Development, in addition to the number of local donors: Sila Foundation for Development, Benevolence, Coalition for Humanitarian Relief, Al-Aoun Foundation for Development, Response, Network for Humanitarian Relief. Al-Badiya Partners. The foundation initiated the formation of Al-Badiya Partners Forum in July 2008. It currently includes 142 institutions, associations, and their branches. To achieve complementarity in the work of these organizations and to achieve the greatest possible of coordination and cooperation, Al-Badiya is still working to achieve many future projects in which it hopes to provide its services to the people. So we ask Allah to guide and help all the staff working in this foundation to achieve all projects towards the building and development of the Yemeni society, so that Al-Badiya extends its hands to all donors, organizations, and individuals to work together to alleviate the suffering and to achieve development of Yemeni people in various fields.
oh, oh, oh.